learn.
Looking for easy and engaging ways to teach number counting to nursery children? ActiLearn's counting flashcards are a great tool to do just that. Let's take a look at the different types of activities that we can do using these cards. Do check out our Part 1 DIY video where we teach you how to make your own counting cards. Basic number identification. Show the card and teach the number to the child. Ask the child to repeat after you. Example 1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4.
4.
Teach fun number fact. Show the card and teach the given fun fact to the child. Example, Indian rhinoceros has only one horn.
Indian rhinoceros has only one horn.
Snakes have two fangs.
Snakes have 2 fangs.
Flowers with 3 petals.
Flowers with 3 petals.
Number tracing song. Trace the numbers and teach the number songs to the children. 1 stroke down and we have 1.
1 stroke down and we have 1.
Half around and out again makes the number 2.
Half around and out again makes the number 2.
Half around and half around makes the number 3.
Half around and half around makes the number 3.
Teach number recognition. Shuffle and take a few cards. Place them with the number facing upwards. Say the number and let the child point to it. Repeat the game with new set of cards. For example, 8, 2, 7, 5, 6, 6, 10. Counting practice easy version. Shuffle the cards with the number side facing up. Show the cards and let the child tell the numbers. You can increase the speed of showing the cards each time you play the game.
9, 7, 5, 8, 3, 10, 1, 4, 6, 2.
Teach number counting. Show the fun fact image and teach the child to count. Example, a lobster has 10 legs.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Guess the fun fact. Shuffle and spread a few cards. Keep the number side facing upwards. Point to a card and let the child guess the fun fact.
Octopus has 8 tentacles. Rainbow has 7 colors. Mouse deer is 9 inch tall.
Revise number recognition. Shuffle and spread all the cards. Keep the fun fact side facing upwards. Point to a card and let the child guess the number on it. Example,
2, 9, 4, 6, 5, 8.
counting practice, the difficult version. Shuffle the cards with the fact side facing up. Show the cards and let the child tell the numbers. You can increase the speed of showing the cards each time you play the game.
6, 2, 4, 10, 8, 9, 5, 1, 7, 3.
Fact memory game. Shuffle and place the cards. Say the number facts randomly. Let the child remember the facts and tell the numbers. Example, a lobster has 10 legs. Indian rhinoceros has 1 horn. The rainbow has 7 colors.
10, 1, 7.
Memory game. Shuffle and place the cards. Say 2 to 5 numbers. Let the child remember the numbers and pick the cards. Increase the number of cards gradually. Example, 4, 8, 3, 6.
4, 8, 3, 6.
Next number, 5, 9, 2, 7, 1.
5, 9, 2, 7, 1.
Match the number and the fun fact. Arrange the cards on a table with the fun fact side upwards. Let the child place the numbers on the respective cards.
6, 1, 3, 4, Nine. 10. 2. 7. 8. 6.
Teach ascending order, smallest to biggest. Shuffle and spread all the cards. Let the child pick the cards in the correct order of 1 to 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Teach descending order, biggest to smallest. Shuffle and spread the cards. Let the child pick the cards in the reverse order from 10 to 1.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Before, after, and in between game. Shuffle the cards with the fact side up. Ask the question and let the child point to the answer card. Example: what comes before 9?
8,
What comes after 2?
3,
What comes before 5?
4,
What comes in between 3 and 5?
4,
What comes before 8?
7,
What comes after 9?
10,
What comes in between 5 and 7?
6.
The bigger than, smaller than game. Shuffle the cards with the fact side up. Ask the question and the child must point to the answer cards. Example: tell the numbers bigger than 7.
8, 10, 9.
Tell the numbers smaller than 4.
2, 3, 1.
Learn number names. If the child is familiar with alphabets, spell the number name in each card. Example: F-I-V-E 5,
F-I-V-E-Y,
S-E-V-E-N 7,
S-E-V-E-N 7,
E-I-G-H-T 8.
E-I-G-H-T 8.
Number and fact recognition. Shuffle the cards and give one card to the child. The child must say the number, the fact, and the number song. Repeat the game with other cards too.
All the way round and down again makes the number 9. N-I-N-E 9. Mouse is 9 installed.
In a similar way, you can create your own innovative ways to teach counting using our number cards. Check out the description box to inquire or place orders. Thanks for watching the video and do join our social media community. Like, share and subscribe to our channel.